Hi, I'm Alex Nunn. I'm Professor of Global Political Economy and Social Policy at the University of Derby. And over the last few years, I've been working with some colleagues here at Derby Theatre, as well as their cultural education partners and some theatre companies nationally, on a range of social research projects around the theatre's work. My own interest in this work is largely political, economic and social as opposed to purely artistic. But I'm really interested in bringing social science and theatre research together for four main reasons. The first of those is around developing innovative data collection, analysis and dissemination techniques, which are particularly suited to gathering effective, emotional and sensory data, relational data even, in ways that wouldn't be surfaced by traditional research techniques like surveys or focus groups and interviews. My second interest is in the way that participation in theatre and drama work can help individuals develop skills and capacities to help them cope with unequal or sometimes harmful social structures. That might be in relation to skills like communication, confidence, teamwork, problem solving, and so on that are very helpful in the labour market, but it might also be in terms of emotional resilience. My third interest is that the work I've been doing with Derby Theatre has shown me that participation in theatre projects can help to develop social cohesion amongst those that are participating in the programmes, but also among the communities that they represent. Finally, I'm interested in the ways that participation in devising, performing and disseminating theatre work can help to challenge and reform unequal social structures. Over the last 2 years, I've been involved in several projects with Derby Theatre, the first being on their +1 scheme, which is about expanding cultural participation opportunities for children and young people who've been in the care system. And then This is Derby, which was a major initiative in the city to expand cultural, sporting and artistic opportunities for children and young people from across the city. I'm now involved in 2 major new 3-year Arts Council funded projects to do much the same.
Hello, my name's Caroline Bart and I'm the Creative Learning Director here at Derby Theatre. And it's my role to oversee some of the research work that we do in partnership with the University of Derby and our other cultural partners across the city. This work is really aiming to change the lives of young people, particularly those in areas of deprivation and low social engagement. Our long-term aim is to really help them improve their lives for their futures, and in other words, improve their social mobility.
My name is Alex Manning-Jones and I'm Derby's cultural education producer. I'm also responsible for the +1 scheme. We really wanted some independent research on +1 so that we could better understand what really works and how we could improve it further.
Hi, my name's Lucy and I'm a +1 ambassador. I've been with +1 for 4 years now, and I find that the most exciting results of the research are how +1 helps with team building, confidence, communication skills, and networking amongst our area of expertise anyway. The research also demonstrated that +1 help young people bring empathy towards one another, and that's aside from all the other artistic skills that the project brings.
The research was really useful in highlighting what we were doing, but also that we needed more sustainable funding. We were able to use the findings to help us secure ongoing funding for the next 3 years and to partner with drama therapists to help support the young people.
Hi, my name is Yazan and I've been coming to +1 for 1.5 years. One of the findings of the research I really like is the way we make art to challenge the care sector to do better for young people who've been in care.
There's been a lot of interest from across the arts sector in copying programmes like +1, and we've learned a lot from working with others too that have been doing this sort of work for some time, such as Curious Monkey Theatre Company and Derbyshire Virtual School. It's perfectly possible for people to copy parts of the programme, but it is really important to remember that the research found that for similar schemes to be successful in the future, they need to ensure that artists and coordinators can be involved for the long term. that they are able to sustain those ongoing supportive relationships with the young people. This is crucial to develop the trust that underpins the +1 community. Also, the artists who engage with the young people genuinely commit to co-production. Young people need to be able to take control of the creative process and explore their own stories in a safe environment. Part of the success of +1 is that it doesn't involve very large numbers. This means that we can all get to know each other and create meaningful and positive relationships.
The research also focused on how schemes like +1 can help participation in higher education. Because of the partnerships with the University of Derby, we have been able to visit the university campus and get to know university teachers and professors personally. This helps us feel more comfortable with going to university in the future, if that's what we want. Universities could do more though. For example, buddying schemes where university staff would assist individual young people with a care background to make choices about higher education, accompanying them on visits to university open days and interpreting all the information that is available.